What's up guys, and the unstoppable Mate 30 Pro is coming with so many great features that can crush the competition, but there is still a black cloud looming over the company that just won't leave. The CNBC has reported that Trump is not happy with the whole China situation. The President Trump said that China did not buy large quantities of agriculture products from the US like it had agreed to do, and they also did not stop the sales of fentanyl, which is a painkiller which is 50 times stronger than heroin. According to the president himself, Americans do continue to die from these deadly drugs, most of which come from China. He's not happy at all. He also said that at the moment they're not dealing with the Huawei situation, so China has to do something here, otherwise Huawei might suffer the consequences. Although US suppliers are still allowed to supply some goods to the company, which doesn't pose a national threat, but we do know at the moment Android is not included in that. So either way, Huawei has built the EMUI 10.0, which is going to be announced officially on August the 9th. It's actually based on Android Q. It's set to have some massive changes to the UI, and it will debut on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro if all goes well, or else, as the chairman said, there will be an alternative OS if not allowed to use Android from Google. Now the Mate 30 Pro will indeed going to be unstoppable from the looks of the whole camera innovation that Huawei is bringing. There is no chance that Galaxy Note 10 can beat the Mate 30 Pro in terms of camera hardware. So as you can see in this whole comparison, both dual 40 megapixel sensors of Huawei Mate 30 Pro are way bigger in size compared to the main sensor of the Galaxy Note 10. The camera on the Mate 30 Pro will indeed going to be revolutionary. According to the new leakster from Twitter, we have some new update to the whole camera setup for the Mate 30 Pro. Apparently, the second 40 megapixel lens could actually be a 120-degree ultra wide angle lens with Cine lens feature. This means that the ultra wide angle picture from the Mate 30 Pro camera will not lose any quality. And at the same time, it will have Cine lens feature, which means high quality video in ultra wide angle mode is also possible. And furthermore, it's mentioned that the 8 megapixel lens could actually be the tele zoom lens for 5x lossless zoom. So the 50x zoom is actually still here on the Mate 30 Pro family. Now Huawei has filed trademark for some new terms. First one is the Huawei Air glass, which is said to be the replacement for the Gorilla Glass. So they are actually trying to make their own things and not rely on US. They are slowly making that shift. Apparently Huawei Air glass will be the replacement for the Gorilla Glass on their phones. So it's gonna be the new protection standard. And then there's another term that they trademark, which is called SuperSensing. This is of course related to the camera. One thing that this explains is that if Huawei is working on its own Gorilla Glass replacement, then you can better believe that they are also working on their own software as well. And the way things are looking, soon in the future, we might see a Huawei phone completely built without any US part. That's going to be their ultimate goal. Now Huawei also filed some new naming trademark for the next year's P lineup. So according to the filing, the next Huawei P flagship phone could actually be called as Huawei P400, and then from there on Huawei will skip 100 digit and go to P500. This really sounds complex and not simple at all, but based on what they're doing with their camera setup, this might actually be a good decision. Huawei will going to bring some new innovations to the camera with the P series as well. So regardless of what happens with US, Huawei will be bringing its Mate 30 Pro to the market with Google's Android or without Google's Android. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.